So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about energy and being productive and how you can maximize your productivity to be more efficient in life and in business. If you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I said, in this video, I want to talk about being productive, and I want to talk about it in a more spiritual way. Because honestly, at this point in my life, everything boils down to oneness and all sorts of stuff. Yes, I'm weird like that, if you think that's weird. Like I said, I want to talk about how we can be more efficient and productive in our life and business. If you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner, and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your reality and or experience. I'm also the CEO of Girl Censored. Hold on. Okay, so let's try this again. I think I left off with the fact that I am the CEO of Girl Censored, which is now the Censored brand, and hey, wearing it right now. I was actually wearing it in the prior clip, but we got some samples that came in. I was like, hey, I want to try it on. So yes, I am also the CEO of the Censored brand, and we are coming out with a men's line. That's why we've changed our name to Censored, and super excited about that. Well, there's so many interruptions today, but let's just keep the show moving. How ironic, but speaking of all of that, I want to talk about being more efficient and productive in your life and business. And so one of the things, I was actually talking with someone this morning, and I mentioned something, and this is the number one rule. It's stormy. And so this is the number one rule that is going to help you move forward and be so productive in your life and business. I think, I believe, like number one, and it is that energy is neither created nor destroyed. Now, if you understand that rule, if you really think about that rule, if you understand that we're all energy and that we have a cap on our energy levels, right? Then you understand, okay, so if energy is neither created nor destroyed, I have to focus it, right? So that, with that concept comes the thought of having to really focus your energy on what you want to see grow in your life. And you hear this all the time. A lot of people talk about this, is that what you focus on grows, right? What you focus on expands. And that is so true. But when you really think about, okay, energy is neither created nor destroyed, that means that I really need to control and manipulate the energy that I have and that I'm in control of, right? So that means, okay, I'm only going to fuel things that are going to serve me in life. So with that being said, with that concept, that means, and this is how I operate in life. This is how and this is key. Number one rule, key, is that, okay, I am not wasting energy on things that do not serve me. And when it really sinks in, you're like, oh, okay, I really am just going to focus and be laser focused on the things that I want to see expand in my life, that I want to focus my energy on things that serve me. And that means I can't waste my energy on things that are not serving me. So that also means not only are you focusing your energy on things that you want to see expand in your life, but you're taking your energy away from things that are not serving you in your life. And that was huge. That was huge for me, because how many of us actually waste energy on things that do not serve us in our lives, or things that we really don't want to see expand in our lives. We don't even really want them in our life. Like, how many of us actually waste our time and energy on things that we don't even really want in our life? So that even means wasting your time arguing with someone on Facebook, on a Facebook post, okay? Wasting your time putting energy into the fact that someone left a nasty comment on your Instagram post, okay? Wasting your time with people or relationships that just take from you, that don't serve you in any way, that just take from you, takes your energy, and you feel drained all the time. You know, like, just petty stuff. Like, if you really want to be efficient in your life, efficient in your business, stop with the petty stuff. If it's not going to serve you in some capacity, if it's not taking you towards your greatest good, then why focus your energy in that direction when you can really be focusing your energy on things that you want to see expand in your life? So when you understand, okay, energy is neither created nor destroyed, I need to recycle this, right? I need to recycle this energy. I need to focus my energy on things that fuel me and serve me. And there, I have more energy to still pour into the things that I want to see expand in my life, instead of just being drained because that relationship that's not serving you, that the guy keeps cheating on you, lying on you, taking from you, or the friendships that are not, you know, that just bring you down. Like, it brings your energy down. It's not worth it. It's not worth it, because you're not going to be efficient in your life. You're not going to be efficient in your business. And even when it comes to business, let's talk about, like, evaluating things that are not serving you. So it's interesting because I actually was talking with this gentleman about, you know, the fact that that's kind of how I've been operating, is from this philosophy, concept, whatever you want to call it. I have been operating from this concept lately. And he was like, well, what is it that you really want to do in your life? And I told him, and we were talking about this whole concept of, like, pouring your energy into what you really, really want to see expand in your life. And that takes a lot of self-inventory as well, actually understanding what you want out of life, because you might be pouring your energy into what you think is going to serve you in life, but it really isn't. And you have to really take a step back sometimes and, like, hey, you know, I'm not progressing in my business. I'm not progressing in life like I want to be. What things do I need to eliminate so I can pour more energy into things that I want to see expand? And so I wanted to talk about that, because when I really, really thought about that concept, I think I got that philosophy. I mean, I always knew about that philosophy, but it really didn't sink in until I think I heard it from Jake Ducey on YouTube. And I was like, wow, like a light bulb moment, you know, for me. And I was like, really, that's interesting, because then it's like you're recycling this energy, right? You want to focus your energy on things that serve you and in turn fuel you to do more. And it's as simple as that. And you really have to take the time to really evaluate your life. And that way you're going to be more productive and more efficient in your life and business. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business, life, and everything in between. And that's all. And I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.